tutorial lore. If you're considering using the BankMobile Vibe app or just downloaded it and want to know how it works, this video gives you a complete breakdown of its main features, purpose, and what actual users think about it. This video explains how the BankMobile Vibe app functions as a digital banking platform, primarily targeted at students and young adults who receive financial aid refunds or direct deposits from partnered colleges. The app is available for both Android and iOS and connects to the BankMobile Vibe checking account. Once logged in with the correct credentials, users can view their account balance on the home screen, access transaction history by tapping the Activity tab, and receive instant alerts for incoming deposits or changes in account status. To transfer funds, tap the Move Money section and follow the instructions for sending money between external or internal accounts. Users can link other bank accounts through the app and set up direct deposit by tapping Settings and choosing Deposit Account Info. The app also allows mobile check deposits by tapping Deposit Check and following the on-screen instructions to capture front and back images of the check. All transfers and deposits are encrypted for security, and users can lock or unlock their debit card instantly from the app if needed. One of the app's built-in features includes the Passport Activity Tracker, which monitors your spending habits and offers personalized tips to improve financial wellness. The app also integrates with the Vibe Up program for eligible users, which offers cashback deals at participating retailers. Tap the Offers section to browse available deals and activate them before making a purchase. Notifications can be customized in the Settings tab, including alerts for withdrawals, deposits, and failed login attempts. The user experience is relatively simple, but reviews are mixed. Many users appreciate the app's ease of access to financial aid funds and the straightforward design. However, some report glitches during check deposit attempts and occasional login failures after app updates. Several users also mention customer support delays when trying to resolve account-specific issues through the app interface. Overall, BankMobile Vibe offers useful digital banking features for students and partnered institutions, with quick access to account data, mobile deposit options, and built-in financial tools. While it succeeds in delivering core banking tasks, the app could benefit from improved stability and faster support response times based on user reviews. It remains a practical option for its target audience, especially those receiving financial aid directly through BankMobile. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.